Hello, welcome to this quickfire guide on how to install the Facebook pixel into your Squarespace website. So Facebook is pretty good at serving ads to the right audience at the right time with the right message. And what I'm going to show you today is how to copy the piece of code required for the Facebook pixel and implementing that onto your website. So the first step is going to the Business Manager section of your Facebook page. It's business.facebook.com, and head to your specific account here. And here you're going to find basically all things financial related to your Facebook page, where you can control ads, look at analytics, etc., etc. Under Events, you click Pixels. It's going to take you to the Events Manager. And if you haven't created a pixel for this specific ad account, this is where you begin. So we'll just go ahead and create a quick pixel here. And through this, it's going to ask for a pixel name, and you're going to go ahead and put in your website. If you have easy setup enabled, in any case, it doesn't really matter, website or not, chuck it in, click continue. And we're going to want to click manually add pixel code to the website. And it can't get much straightforward than that. We're going to copy that code. We're going to go Settings, down to Advanced Settings at the bottom, and straight into Code Injection. And just underneath any other scripts you have in there, just start a new line, Enter, Control V, and jam your code in there. Easy as. Hit Save, and you're good to go. That Facebook pixel is live, but it would mean nothing without a custom audience. So now we're heading back to our Event Manager, into Audiences. We're going to click Create an Audience, use Website as our source traffic. And here's where you definitely want to make sure you've got that code right. If you've done it correctly, your little red icon there will be green. So I've gone ahead and just recreated that. Jammed in the code one more time, and now we have a green light on Rosie Studios Ads Pixel. So when creating the custom audience, make sure you kind of set your parameters to as you want them. So this pixel will pick up data from any website visitors. I'm going to set it to the past 100 days. So anyone within the past 100 days of visiting the website will have the pixel, and Facebook will start recording information about their movements and build my audience based on their traffic. Go ahead and give your audience a name. Doesn't necessarily matter specifically, just something that's going to be memorable and help you segment this market. So I'm going with Rosie Visitors 100 days. So that's a custom audience. Your pixel's installed, your audience is created, and you're good to go. And fast forward a couple of days, and we've got our data source coming in. So my event is firing in the terms of page view, and from here you're good to go. You start recording all that information, and you can start remarketing campaigns whenever you're ready. Hope this has been a great help. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck with your digital marketing efforts.